Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is using Rotary Potentiometer as control in adjusting LED brightness and buzzer sound with Raspberry Pi. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new videos. We will discuss first what is potentiometer. The measuring instrument called a potentiometer is essentially a voltage divider used for measuring electric potential. The component is an implementation of the same principle, hence its name. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electrical devices such as volume controls on audio equipment. A potentiometer has three terminals, which is the ground, the pin, and the voltage. The materials that we need for this activity: Raspberry Pi 3, T-cobbler, breadboard, LED, buzzer, jumper wire, and a potentiometer. First, we're going to insert the T-cobbler from GPIO pins into the breadboard. Next, we're going to insert the potentiometer into the breadboard. We are now going to use black jumper wire to connect from ground into the negative side of breadboard, and another black jumper wire to connect from negative into the ground of potentiometer. We are going to use yellow jumper wire to connect 5 volts into the potentiometer. We are now going to use red jumper wire to connect from GPIO pin number 4 into the potentiometer. Next is we're going to insert the LED into the breadboard. We are going to use another black jumper wire to connect into the negative terminal of LED. And finally, we're going to use red jumper wire to connect from potentiometer into positive terminal of LED. This is the final result of connecting the materials. Now, let's code. We are going to remove the LED and connect the buzzer. We are using the same code. We are going to connect the LED and buzzer together. That's all for today's topic. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!